In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Facetune account. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't installed the Facetune app on your device already, then open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and just search for Facetune. Once you find the application, tap on the install button and wait for the installation to complete. Then once it is done, you can tap on the open button and this will open up the Facetune application. Now you have three options to create a new account. You can either continue with your Google account, your Facebook account or your email ID. Let's go ahead and continue with email. You can choose Facebook or your Google account for a shortcut. Now just go ahead and type in your email address and tap on the continue button. You will now be asked to enter the verification code that was sent to your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find the verification code that is sent to you by Facetune. Make sure to check in the promotions tab as well as the spam folder. Just type in your code and tap on the continue button and this will continue your sign up. Now you can start your free trial by tapping on the start free trial button or see all the plans that are offered by tapping on show all plans. You can skip this for now by tapping on the close button at the top left corner and now you can immediately start using the application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new account with Facetune. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.